It was my dad's limo. Okay, I'm recording you. Whoa. Okay, so the first video, which I'm not going to release, I'm not going to tell you what happened, but I'm going to tell you what we were doing. We're reviewing these awesome candies.
In a very suspicious way, Dad.
Yeah, called Mike and Ike Sours. Sours.
Yeah.
At a Z on it. Look,
yeah.
here it is, yeah, powder jugs. Here it is, white. There's blue, yellow, green, and red in there. It's beautiful. There's the box, guys, look. This girl littered.
Stay here, stay here. Oh, it failed.
It stinks. Okay, let me kick it. For the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Okay, no, just drop it. I'll kick it. Drop it. You still failed. Okay, Mike and Ike. This girl is disrespecting you. Okay? But Mike and Ike, sponsor me. The roof. Hi. So what else are we talking about?
The garbage disposal truck.
Oh yeah, garbage can, yeah! Garbage truck, yeah! Oh look, there's a gas can over there, you can't see it. Oh look guys! It's so beautiful! It's a tree stump. Thing is guys, if I don't be posting for a while, reason why, I'm probably gonna be sick. Oh, there's like 18 degrees out here, it feels like. You can see your breath freezing. And look, guys, it's a patch of grass. It's greener than the other ones. I have another piece of drugs. Like a nice. Thank you. Look, a car. These are beautiful garbage cans.
Look at your house. Look at his beautiful, sexy small house.
I can't.
Why?
The address.
Well then, let's show the mall. Exactly, he lives right next to the mall, if you're wondering.
Yeah.
In that cul-de-sac.
Shut up.
With the red truck in.
Oh wait, look. Garbage. This is where you belong.
Oh, nice.
I'm sorry, I'll give you money. Look, Kayla, I'll give you money. Look, I got $10.
Oh yeah.
I found it. No, it's not fucking red. Oh guys, look! I found $10 in my washing machine. So now it's mine. It's probably my brother's. Mike and Ike.
Respect me.
Mike and Ike, sponsor me.
Oh shoot, I never failed.
You've been failing this whole video. Stop.
Show me.
Yeah.
Not a fail.
She's hurting the. Rocks are no joke. They're killer machines. Oh look, guys. Sexy. Oh my God. I found thumbnail. Sexy stick. That's my thumbnail. Clickbait. Wait, pose for the thumbnail.
No, thumbnail's right here.
Pose for the thumbnail. Say sexy nature. Okay, good. Good job. Oh, guys, just so you know, I'm thinking about starting a series of my dog dancing / twerking. She's gonna be dancing to like all those popular songs, like Wiggle and Drop That.
Oh. Shout out to the guys that are fixing that roof.
Oh yeah, go subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm not sure if they really have one, but they're making a roof. Yeah, look guys, they're making a roof. Yeah, okay, calm down.
Dab on the haters.
Why not? She said we're gonna make a video about her doing gymnastics.
Oh yeah.
It's a big lie.
I forgot about that. #clickbait.
Yeah.
some of my candy. Just kidding, sure.
Gladly. I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Yeah, I'll also put my phone in your pocket.
Put it in that one.
Mm.
I finally have a phone. Wait, hold on. Okay. Here. Dance, my slave. Dance. Dance, my slave. Okay, that came off the ground, okay? That's not a good idea. Okay. Dance, my slave, dance.
No more throwing candy, look. No, look.
Guys, I'm gonna remove this video because she just dabbed.
Alright, let's post it now. Oh yeah.